Welcome back, Crammers, to question 3. Write down the mathematical shape of this 3D shape, and since we can see it's a 2D shape that is stretched, this is a prism. How many faces does this shape have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many vertices does this shape have? So where 3 edges connect is a vertice. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since this is 3D, we multiply it by 2. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Here's a different 3D shape. Marie takes a model of the shape. She uses length of wire to make each edge of the model. Each edge of the model is 5 centimeters long. Marie has 70 centimeters of wire. What length of wire does she have left after making the model? So if we can find 5 centimeters times how many sides there are, find the difference, that will be our answer. So we know that she has 70. We have to subtract the difference. The difference being 5 centimeters times how many sides there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that gives us 70 minus 5 times 8 is 40, and 70 minus 40 is 30 centimeters of wire left. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.